this video, let's see the Tesla Model X wheel spacers before and after. Let's go. Installing wheel spacers has long been a common practice among many Tesla Model S lovers. They are components that attach to your Tesla Model S wheel stud. The wheels is installed on the wheel spacers so that the tires can sit flush with the fenders. Installing Tesla Model S wheel spacers can create additional space between the wheel hub assembly and the rim. To some extent, adding wheel spacers provides the same effect as lower offset wheels. For OEM Tesla Model S wheels and tires, front 15mm and rear 20mm spacers provide the perfect flush stance. Besides, using the brand Tesla Model S wheel spacers is also important. BONOSS active cooling Tesla Model S wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation rules to make the brake cooling better. Distribute in petal shape. These rules allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat from the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of Tesla Model S wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarges the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. 15mm and 20mm wheel spacers fit the Tesla Model X perfectly, with wheels flush with the fender. I personally like this effect. If you are considering installing the wheel spacers on your Tesla Model X, you can install the 50mm wheel spacers on the front wheels and the 20mm wheel spacers on the rear. But remember to cut the longest stud. If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.